Behold, something new. Don't want people to know what I'm doing. Oh, there it is. Okay. So, a new device that I got, iPad Air, including with the case that is right here with me. Check it out. Open, intro, just making sure I sign in. Sign me in. And now, here's this. Apple Pencil. Really good. Better be careful with this device so that way nothing goes wrong with it. Now you see right here, folks, you get the official app that I got. Oh, we got Siri too. Check it out. We got a lot of stuff here. Weather, PBS. And I can use the pencil to like, you know, just scroll through anything. Watch. All the rest here. And of course, even more. Ooh, settings, reminders, notes. Drawn by yours truly when I got the iPad on October 3rd. And that's what I call amazing. But I better be very careful with not damaging it, you know? Does all the other stuff that's regular for me. Good selfie pic, by the way, of me. Anyway, there's gonna be lots more things to come by. Anyway, that's cool. Anyway, knows about GarageBand too. Many times I say this is really great. They have drums too. At least they have drums. GarageBand style. I wonder if I could play a demo of it. Roots. Vintage kid. Let's play something different. Ready? Cool, isn't it? Yeah, I could use this more often. But for now, just gotta be busy with something else. Go back. More sounds. Yeah. Best sequence ever. That's good. Okay, great. So, there you have it. A tutorial of my iPad Air. Loaner device from Brooklyn Recovery Corps. Thanks, guys. Just gotta use this more often so everything's okay. Checking forecast for Bedford-Stuyvesant. Getting dark out a little bit. Anyway, don't want to damage it. Thank you.